Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to generate year-end tax reports in Gusto. Now the end of the year means wrapping gifts and of course your books. Now with Gusto, generating year-end tax reports is simple and it ensures that you got everything prepped for tax seasons. So let's break down how to find and generate those reports. Step 1, go to the report section. Now from your Gusto dashboard, you want to navigate to reports that's on the left hand menu. Then choose year-end tax reports or tax reports, depending of course on your dashboard layout. Now this section gives you an overview of all important documents that Gusto has prepared for your business. Step 2, select the tax year. Now you got to use the filter at the top of the report screen to choose the year that you want to review. Typically you'll want to pull the previous calendar year's report for filing and analysis. You're going to see documents like the W-2 summary report, the 1099 summary report, employer tax summaries, total wage and tax breakdowns, and state-by-state tax report if it's applicable. Step 3, review for accuracy. So before downloading anything, take a few minutes to review. Check the employee names, the SSNs and classifications, check the wages and withholdings and benefits. Now any reimbursement, bonuses or deductions, this will help you to catch and fix discrepancies before sharing with your team or the IRS. Step 4 is to download and save the report. So once reviewed, you want to click download on each report that you want to save. You can keep digital copies or you can print hard copies for your records, your CPAs or whoever handles your books. Now some reports are also available as CSV files, so if you need to import them into another system like QuickBooks or Microsoft Excel. Step 5, distribute W-2s and 1099s. Now Gusto automatically sends digital copies of W-2s and 1099s to your employees and contractors, but you can also download copies for your own records, or you can just mail manually if needed. Year-end reporting might sound intimidating, but Gusto makes it easy to gather everything you need in just a few clicks. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.